I got this clean Yukon just put up to the shop. About to do some fiberglass doors. I'm gonna try to do a step-by-step video in a series if I don't get too busy. This is gonna be series 1. You see, I already took all the doors off. I started on this one, but I decided I'm gonna make a video for y'all. So I'm gonna show y'all the process starting with this door. But he wants some 12s and these big horn tweeters. Sorry, I cut some metal and stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and take the door off and then show y'all where we at. So I'm gonna put a 12 here, 12 somewhere around here. I gotta go around that. And the horns there, the horns gonna have to stick out a little bit. You see, they're sticking up about maybe a ½ inch or 3/4 of an inch bigger than the 12s. I'll be back in a second. Alright, so the first thing I did was took my plastic, big piece of plastic, and I just traced around the door. So I did a couple attempts right here. Come out right. I couldn't fit all the speakers in there. Then I finally got the shape I wanted. After that, traced it on the wood, and it was all good. Then I first had it here with the speakers hitting the window mechanism. The phone died, so I removed the wood so y'all can see. So basically, the sub was gonna go like in this area or around this area, but it couldn't fit. So I gotta put it like around here. But other than that, so now I can just trace it for the other door, just flip it. Somebody go and do that, and I'll be back in a second. I just went around them with the belt sander to make the edges smooth. I'm gonna figure out the next step and I'll be back in a minute. Alright, basically got everything where I want it. I just tested it, make sure the door closed. All the speakers fit in there. Both 12s gonna go in right here and right here. So what I'm gonna do is just fiberglass the whole door and wrap it all the way around. Then when I get ready, I'll just cut my hole out right there and I'll have the fiberglass for the structure. So what I'm gonna do is just put wood all the way around here. Give me some strength. Before I do it, I'm gonna take it off and really sand the door real good. I'm gonna do the other door the same way, and then we'll be on to the front door. So I'll be back in a minute. Stay tuned. Right, let me show y'all the door closed. It's a tight fit, but we made it work. Alright, this is going to be part 1 of the fiberglass tutorial. Next video, I'm going to take this off and I'm going to show you how to cut metal. And then we're going to do the front doors and do some fiberglassing. Also, y'all need to subscribe to my channel because I'm going to be doing full interior in here. So we're working on both of these at the same time. As you see, we already got the seats. So I'm gonna wire up some power seats. I'm gonna show you how to do that. Wire up power windows, lights. And of course, we don't do wrinkles. You know what I'm saying? This is gonna be tightened up and everything. Yeah, it's gonna be real nice. I think we have a console coming to the back. We got some names and LED stuff. We have a lot going on in here, so y'all need to like and subscribe. I'm gonna be teaching a lot with this vehicle. I'll be back with part 2 in a minute.